So I'll take you to my ChatGPT screen where you would see, okay, so this is, so I had first asked ChatGPT about the recruitment industry, about the problems that a recruitment industry faces, and what kind of support or what kind of marketing materials could I prepare for recruitment agencies. And that is when I came to a conclusion that I should be creating a lead magnet. And which is why, if you see, I gave this prompt that says a lead magnet that gives steps on the current mistakes the companies are making and how they can quickly fix it. So the response was for a lead magnet that addresses current mistakes in global talent acquisition and offers quick solutions. A focused practical guide would be highly effective. Here is the outline of such a lead magnet. So this was the first suggestion, that the title of this lead magnet could be this, and the format would be an interactive PDF guide or an ebook with this structure, with this content structure. So to which I was not happy with the response that I got, and then I again stopped ChatGPT from giving the response, and I said that I think the biggest problem is not finding the right talent at the right time. I would prefer having a lead magnet around the same. So I think the biggest problem is not finding the right talent at the right time. So ChatGPT understood it, and if the core issue for tech startups is finding the right talent at the right time, a lead magnet that addresses this specific challenge would be highly valuable. So that was the ChatGPT's suggestion, and which is how it came to this lead magnet that says the fast track guide to finding the right talent right now. Now that was an amazing title which we have extensively used on the website as well. The fast track guide to finding the right talent right now. That's the title that we used for the ebook. Next was the content structure that we got. The format was comprehensive ebook or interactive webinar series, and with the structure, the introduction, the section 1, I also asked for actionables. That is very important. So my keywords, my prompts always added that there should be a content and then there should be an actionable thing, like the checklists and the templates for easy implementation of whatever I am training.